Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to do the practical experimentation of transient RC network. The circuit diagram for RC network consists of R is equal to 100 ohm, and for having an inductance we are going to keep the inductance box at 50 millihenry. Okay, so how to set it to 50 millihenry is with the help of this decade inductance box. So keep it at, you can see this decade inductance box. This is 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. So I am going to set it to some 50 or 60. So now currently I am keeping it as a 50 millihenry, and you can see here the type of signal we have to apply to this RC transient analysis is a step signal. So you can see here it is 0 and it maintains a magnitude of 2 volts, and once again 2 into 5, it maintains a peak to peak voltage of 10 volts. Okay, so these sort of signals are called step signal. Applying a step signal to an RC network is called transient analysis. So suddenly the signal is 0, suddenly the signal rises, suddenly the signal is 10 volts and comes to 0. This sort of sudden switching or sudden switching of voltage source is called as a transient. That's why this experiment is called transient analysis of RL. So now let's try to give the circuit diagram for RL. So from the positive terminal of the signal generator, this is the signal generator. From the positive terminal of the signal generator, connect to decade resistance box, and output of the decade resistance box you connect to the decade inductance box, and output of the decade inductance box we are connecting to the signal generator. So now you can see here a loop is maintained. So this is from R as well as L are connected in series. So output of the signal generator to decade resistance box, output of the decade resistance box to inductance box, and we are forming the closed path. So now we are going to connect the terminals of the oscilloscope is across the inductor. So connect the negative to the decade inductance box across the output terminal or in parallel. Okay, so now we can see the signal to what it is generated. So initial frequency adjustment is, so you have to keep the functional generator output as an square waveform. Giving a square waveform is indirectly we are operating this network under transient operation. So keep it in step signal, and operating frequency range is of 1000, and I had set it to an frequency of 200 hertz, and coming to the magnitude. So already measured the magnitude